Hi all, today I am discussing about ARM CPU bus organization. First of all, let me see what is ARM. It's a full form of Advanced RISC Machine. ARM is a 32-bit processor manufactured by Acorn Computers Limited, Cambridge, England in 1985. ARM processor has a high computing capability. It's a GPP, General Purpose Processor. ARM is a family of reduced instruction set computing architectures for various environments. The core of this processor can be embedded onto a VLSI or SoC. As all the name indicates, it can perform all the RISC instruction set operations. They can operate on higher speeds to perform a smaller number of types of computer instructions. It has three-stage instruction pipeline. It operates at 200 MHz. ARM processor architecture is available either as a CPU chip or for integrating it into VLSI or SoC. ARM provides a CISC functionality with RISC architecture at the core. It has 7 modes of operation. Now, what is ARM bus organization? ARM has created a separate bus specification for single chip systems. The AMBA bus ARM 99A supports CPUs, memories, and peripherals integrated in a system on silicon. Bus protocol standardization is a key enabler of SoC approach. ARM MBA is a full form of ARM Advanced Microcontroller Bus Architecture specification is most widely adopted. The AMBA specifications include two buses, AMBA APB Advanced Peripheral Bus. The second one is AMBA AHB Advanced High Performance Bus. The AMBA AHB is optimized for high speed transfers and is directly connected to the CPU. It supports several high performance features like pipelining, bus transfers, split transactions, and multiple bus masters. Here given is a illustration of this ARM CPU bus organization. As we said earlier, it consists of two main buses, that is AMBA AHB, Advanced High Performance Bus. Let's discuss about its specifications. High performance, pipelined operation, multiple bus masters, bus transfers, and split transaction. The second one is AMBA ASB. It's AMBA Advanced System Bus. It has also high performance, pipelined operation, and multiple bus masters. The third one is AMBA APB. AMBA APB is AMBA Advanced Peripheral Buses. It's a low power, latcher address and control, simple interface, and suitable for many peripherals. A bridge can be used to connect the AHB to an AMBA peripheral bus. This bus is designed to be simple and easy to implement. It also consumes relatively little power. The AHB assumes that all the peripherals act as slaves, simplifying the logic required in both the peripherals and the bus controller. It also doesn't perform pipeline operation which simplifies the bus logic. Thank you.